What's going on, yo? So the last time you guys saw me unbox the Nintendo Switch, that was years ago. That was the original Nintendo Switch. And now today, I'm unboxing the newer Nintendo Switch, the OLED version. So let's get a look at that there. I got the red and blue one, because I thought the white one was pretty basic. I'm gonna try to unbox this as neatly as possible, because low-key I might be returning this if I don't like it, because the Nintendo Switch gets boring after a while. And I also got Mario Kart 8. Let's see what that's like. Again. So we get the screen. Two controllers. I'm guessing this is the dock. The docking thingy thing. Looks newer. Did I just... I broke it now. Yes, I don't think I did. And the charger. HDMI, and the thingy thing, this thing, where the docks can go into, and then these. So that's what came with it. Pretty much. Oh, I thought that said refurbished. I was about to say. They definitely didn't tell me that. That's definitely not what I paid for. So let's put this here on the screen. Only this right here is $350 when you really think about it. This little shit right here. This is what 350 is, this screen. The newer one, the whole back goes like that. So if you were ever wondering, oh, is this really the OLED version? The OLED versions has this whole back plate instead of just that little piece like before.